Hey baby girl, so what's up? What do you do? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your lashes popping without you applying false lashes. I have a very minimal hair on your lashes, so I think this video is going to be helpful for you, useful as well, as I made this mistake years back. When I mean years back, yeah, you know, when you're into the game and the time goes by, you keep practicing and know more technique and how to do with your makeup, period. Without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see I apply my mascara on my lashes like a pro, you know what to do. Just take a cheap pill, glass of water, and enjoy and practice, okay? Let me come closer. Focus, baby girl. She's not focusing. So you see what I mean? You don't need this kind of huge brush. This brush, you need it when you have a lot of hair on your lashes, okay? When you have a lot, when I mean lot, really a lot. This is the one I always go for because they have that kind of defined, very fine brush when it comes to the applicator of the mascara. Let me go ahead and show you this Judith Williams long lasting mascara. Let me show you the difference, okay? So the bolts, as you can see, the bolts, it tells a big huge difference that this one is perfect for my lashes. This one is not really that defined. This one is super well defined. This one is just too scanty for my liking. Can always, as a pro, I can always use this, but teaching you or letting you know the kind of brush that is perfect for your minimal eyelashes, I think this one is going to be a good option. This one is recommendable, but this one is going to be when you are into mascara, you know how to manipulate, you know how to apply without you getting under your eye messed up like some of us do. I used to do it. I am guilty of it. I'm not out. I'm counting myself. That was then, but now I can tell which kind of brush when it comes to mascara that is perfect to really voluminous my natural lashes. I don't really like to wear false lashes. I just want to go with my natural lashes. So with this, I can really get away with it. Show you another method. As you can see, this one is super straight. Okay, we have different type. So let me show you this one from Benefit, Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. Let me show you the difference as well. I'm showing you the brushes, not just the mascara. The brushes for me is more important. So as you can see the difference. This one has a little bit of a C shape. The shape is not so straight as this one. This one is super straight. This one is perfect. This one is perfect to apply your upper lashes, while this one is perfect to apply on your bottom lashes. Please go for your kind of lashes. When you want to buy any mascara, make sure to check the applicator. The mascara, for me, it doesn't really matter, but the applicator, it matters a lot. It means a lot, because when you're applying something like this under your eye using the Too Faced, this one right here, when you're using this one right here, you will always make mistake if you are in a hurry. So I'm not recommending this one to you when you are in a hurry. Do not use it. Like, trust me, you're going to mess under your eye, because when you're under your eye is messed up with mascara, trust me, your face ain't gonna looking cute, period. Don't do it, okay? As a starter, as a beginner, makeup junkie beginner, do not use that. This one and the L'Oreal is the perfect. So I hope the explanation is perfect, right? Anywho, mascara, please make sure to have a clean mirror, okay? A small mirror, a clean one, okay? I'm going to be taking the Judith Williams long lasting mascara. This is what I'm going to start up with, so just watch me do that. You can see the way you hold your applicator when it comes to makeup, it matters a lot. It means a lot. It's going to tell the result at the end of your makeup. Hold your mascara like this. No one is doing that, okay? Mama don't teach you that. Mama teach you the right way, okay? Make sure to hold your applicator of your mascara, like you see the way I'm holding it right now. Just hold it. Your head is straight direct to the mirror, okay? See what I mean? Do not stretch too much your eye like this. Be sure to relax. Be sure. And when you're applying, when you dip in the applicator into the mascara, be sure to wipe the excess away. If not, you're going to mess up. First, you want to use the brush just to kind of brush everything upward, right? Like the way I'm doing it right now, as you can tell already, as you can tell. So just do it. Just do it, okay? Be sure to brush it out first, because when you don't brush it out, you might end up having this kind of thick effect in your lashes, and it's not going to be full. So if you want it to be full, to be really defined, you need to brush it out first. You brush it out. And do not open your eye too much. Don't open your eye too much. Don't stretch your muscles on your brow like this too much, okay? Be sure. Stretch it, but just a very tiny bit with a very soft feeling, like so. So now, as you can tell, it's already defined. So what do? You go ahead and apply softly, okay? Softly. Softly, okay? Stretch it out. You see what I do? Do not, when you're stretching your lashes, do not do extra. Like, do not do extra, okay? Just do it like so. And you can always use a tip. Always use a tip to define. If you notice they are sticking together, because you don't want them to stick together, you want them to be defined, you want them to be separate from each other. Use the tip of your applicator to define it. Do not apply extra. Do not do extra coat. Just keep going and use the first coat to make sure to define everything. We're using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara on my bottom lashes. It's not straight like the other one. Like I said at the beginning, it's perfect to curve, you know, inner corner, you know what I mean? So when it comes to your bottom lashes, please, you know what to do. Do not do like the, I used to do it before. I'm not judging you, but I'm just correcting myself and at the same time correcting you, okay? Do not do like the, no, it's not advisable, okay? I was doing it. That was not really cute. So what to do, it's like you closing your eyes like this. Just watch me do. Don't do that. Just do it like so. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to do the other eye of camera.